wish we lived on a farm.
It's a lot of work to live on a farm, Dewey.
Yeah, but...
Yeah, you know you have to wake up early.
Yeah, but...
Do your chores?
Yeah, but...
Milk the cow?
Yeah, but I can do all that.
Well, let's go and see all the jobs you would have to do around the farm.
Yeah!
The wheels on the tractor go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the tractor go round and round, all around the farm.
Time to milk the cow, Dewey. The old milk cow goes moo, moo, moo.
Moo, moo, moo.
Moo, moo, moo. The old milk cow goes moo, moo, moo.
All around the farm.
That's right. Time to feed the baby pigs, Dewey.
Piglets!
The little pigs go oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink, oink.
The little pigs go oink, 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 all around the farm. The wheels on the tractor go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the tractor go round and round, all around the farm.
Look! It's a real horse!
The pretty old horse says neigh, 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 neigh. The pretty old horse says neigh, 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 all around the farm.
The chickens all go cluck, cluck, cluck.
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. The chickens all go cluck, cluck, cluck.
All around the farm. You know what, Dad?
What's that, Dewey?
I think that maybe it might be more fun just to visit the farm.
Instead of working on it?
Well, at least for now.
The wheels on the tractor go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the tractor go round and round, all around the farm, all around the farm, all around the farm.